Hey guys, what up? We're back with This and That Racing. Doing a quick update and kind of walk through what we did today. So we got a little impatient and decided that this... Wait. Riley, where'd the engine go?
I don't know, where'd you put it?
Where'd it go? Oh. This needed to go in here. So, what we did was we mocked up the firewall trim. Bad angle. There we go. Mocked up the firewall trim. Did a very close cut, even based on the template and the welding kit that we got from SAS. It's just a test fit, kind of see where everything goes. Got some clearance that we got to work on. Got to get this coolant neck figured out. I think actually we're supposed to trim a little bit more in this way so that it goes back. But yeah, everything went okay. Only a couple small fires, nothing too serious. We did kind of pulled this back aside to make sure nothing happened. The cuts actually turned out pretty decent for the tools that we were working with. But yeah, we got impatient. Couldn't wait anymore. Needed to see the car with the turbo or with the engine in it, motivation aspects. So this weekend we're gonna pull it back out. I'm gonna take a paint marker and mark what we have right now. I'm going to, once we get the SAS subframe firewall kit welded in, I'm actually gonna make a removable bracket because this engine's actually gonna sit farther back than it is right now, which is fine. And that'll give me access to this back spark plug, just in case. Dirt. But yeah, everything went okay. Nothing too crazy. We didn't lift it from the subframe like we were going to. We ended up getting the engine down in here, sliding the motor mounts through the wheel well right here on each side, and then bolted them to the block. Got this one bolted on first to tilt the engine, and then this one kind of just went into place. The subframe notch went okay. There's plenty of clearance, especially once we get the engine sitting where it should be, which is further back. As you can see, it rocks. Another issue is the factory RX-8 OEM motor mounts are awful. They're so soft. I'm definitely going to be picking up some polyurethane or harder motor mounts for that. The turbo setup will be changing probably in the next month and a half. I found a nice top mount that gets it nice and close because of the how much room we're working with right here. I'm gonna have to cut this tab off. But yeah, it's not too bad for those wanting to do it. There's plenty of instructions out there for the SAS kit, and it's measure 18 times, cut once, and then trim from there, because I definitely have to make some cleaner trims up near that hole right there. Come all the way around, kind of round it back out for the actual weld-in plate that came with the kit. So, all right, we're gonna leave it from here. Catch you guys later, and see you again soon.